enam na mpanyin se kwakyere kwaso o mantemo a se wotie ne din me nananom abadwafo na mama metiefo ne mahwefo enyina ache eba amamre dwumadie Royal TV muna na kwame asuo atwoma na ebe hindi se kronkron ofin ne abankro subi antwedu nana mebɔ mi mu ase etia otumfo osetutu a ni din kese pa emu oduni otimifo na sewa kwadu yi adom nana oyi nananom atamfo free kwa mu ma ye kokon ma asante ebe asante afifufro na yesimu no munana enene eda edikai wo afimu a mabo eprimu mene mo ba betwetwe nkomo ye bedi nkomo ne ye de nkomo atuyiye mo amuni sede amamre no sesei panyinsi bebi ade de hye no wa amfa nhya efrito me da me ho sonkoso na mene Dr. Tony aboafo a woso masene madwumadie koso me koma na chi na mabisa no afimu afisi apa se afin komatu yemfie so anase afin komesa ye ho a yebehu se ne esitie Doctor me ma wachi ena no pay
ya nana bejoso
asuna de hye ene atade e hye wo no enene ama wada sonko na asantika sasa okase ne de ho ayefe pa na e atemdidie
oza
echese oto dada no de ho nyefe so obi hye atade na atade refata na ene na maye kase ne de watade hye we e fatao efe sesa atade de ni ho na onipadua de edane de nyina e wo ho doctor etiefo ehwe mesa maw afisi apa
afin
komatu yen fie so obetu yen bebi ati no osa ho de a echese yenim bebi a ye kro jagum mame na se de afi ba akuru etwa mu no omo enya yaresa dodo no obetimi aka nipa dodo a ba wa yaresa a wanya yaresa nso so na de yesimu yi evise na me obibi ka
yo na we mechia etiefo nyina so ne ahwefo nyina me obia so afihyiapa yesi afefufo 2021 from 2019 ana ya start adwuman ya bo hu the National Prostate Health Awareness Campaign no ya educated the whole public about prostate and the conditions adiba any kwan ya fa so bo ho ban and afei wo mo a condition so no yetimi treat wo mo e mo nya ahoto enu ne yeguso a ye sabedu ane enu ti na memene da bia ochina Prostate Doctor Foundation yesu aye ho e wo Patase Estate Paparazzi Hotel na chipe ifra no pa 8:30 ekopim no miensa memene da bia ochina e na memene da bia so ye amamre se obi ababa ho bia ye wo scan prostate scan e ma wo free na watumi ehu o status wo mo prostate tibia na watumi abo ho ban se problem so wo ho no ma me asa treat amount ti eno ana eguso a ya ba ent education na eguso na ene dia me de ba ya message me de ba ye fe bi PSA brofukasem no prostate specific antigen initial marker ya de hwehwe se wonya prostate cancer but eno no enye set in stone enye specific prostate cancer test but eno de be me hu se bia na wonya prostate cancer na eno no your range numbers no na ebi ho no ma se blue sa normal range no a your problem bia say cause the whole world na ni nkofo frɛ da bia eba yesu aye ho obi ho no ma wonya mfie bi a aduanan num kopim mfie aduonum na afei what starting hu sunsuaso bi ukọ hospital a sunsuaso ne de bi a o Johnson tentem o Johnson na abememu ye oya ono obesia na hu sane na abememu hyehyew ebi a Johnson kra na mo gadi akire afei obememu ayemre afei o Johnson na se bi akem iso wo chima ansa na aba ebi okra o be start emtimi ma sane ma we nyina sunsuaso a prostate ne de back from sa age na ekono but so unya hu sa age sunsuaso ya enya the end of the world ebi ana be prostatitis ebi ana enlarged prostate ebi so na so mo ka bi a cancer but problem I wo ha me pese etiefo ne ahwefo etiase ne say so ye be ma na hu sa sunsuaso na ko hospital most of the time with age in intino aduonum ekono doctor be mo akoye PS na America no normally sa no mo ye yes koye PS emba na say a little bit over normal automatically na doctor no a person diagnosed with prostate cancer so enya dia obetimi anya no sa one time sa a gradual process and with that age you know so PS kosra and no just when your prostate cancer a bit me about say prostate no na inflame and another condition of prostate na for the prostatitis no e bia no na ma PS na kosro e bi so na enlarged prostate and no BPH no benign prostatic hyperplasia and no na the most common condition of the prostate if we are seeing for North America, Europe, Africa, Asia it affected member millions and millions of members and they could choose a enlarged prostate. But with prostate, a year kese pa no a betimi ama PS no akosoro. Na eno no nkyerese when you cancer because enlargement no so different from prostate cancer. But most of the time no standard care no say obi be ma enya san fie no na okọ clinic na wonya san susuafo ya. Adege na a doctor per say omokoye surgery. Obi okọ enkoye biopsy kura. Na biopsy no eno na yedi di akire. So prostate PSA score is more than be a 4.0, more than the average. And non chese also chenchina okoye biopsy. Ko biopsy no and no another tester and no bet me approve say e be a cancer woman na cancer ni. Okay. But research be also say about 70% of biopsies omo ye no e false positive. PSA no was so and so and now say doctor ne jump program okoye biopsy right away into no obi onya be 50 years you ba koye na be negative but in the meantime no biopsy no is very invasive you den empanie any nyema wura woto ana obemem akoto prostate no prostate tissue no what tissue samples from different section of the prostate you be test it na say ebi ni ho no ma say unyanya bia ebi so fa na bia na positive but na prostate cancer bia kra any ho and no na ma because of waiting no bipa mema bebre wo wi ase ayo surgery especially western world any advanced countries no ya ebe you prostate ni sese ya prostate ni se nya yi free ho na asemato wa ho odin nyina akọ odunso so be ha adwene e for be urinary incontinence wo ho a weti bia junso na wo mu kra so wa junso and only complications no and also the doctors no wo mo kan kire urologist on kan kire so be you surgery no say na beba wo be ya incompetent impotent obema no bewu enya adwuma biem afei wo be junso kra wo mu eti be feel patients no ye well informed efa sa prostate PSA any surgery ya na ye free ho no say PSA kosra at least per confirmation per second opinion ko baby foforo na ko ye test ni biem na confirm de wo ye the first biopsy kra de ye the last na say odwene ho sa ko ye PSA ni biem na fe sa ko ye ultrasound scan na makase ye ma obi free no prostate doctor ye ho no ko ye bi eno no betimi a kire se bi a prostate na ye kese a e bia na excessively enlargement no and I'm up, PS and Akosoro. Happen to be a super infections. Common infection to my PS Kosoro. Do could infections such a you prostate free one. and I call your biopsy crown, that's a false positive, and that's a negative crown. The fact say I call Mwaka prostate, no, and no class answer my prostate, this is a problem for.
Okay.
And no tina, so we are bear man, I would take Komaya dear. So we were saying to Sasway, Ujunson Tentem, Ujunson Abememuyo, ya, Ujunson Mujadi, Udo Bessiana who's Sanea, now Bememuyo, ya, Bobna, now be Buchanan Mujadi. I feel Ujunson Biakem, if you are Junson more pine, you know, but what about Junsa? Now, I said, what Junsa, you know, Ujawa, I just want to say, dear children. A year, Ningano, a year, prostate and their cause problem. Now, specifically, Memanam, Memam, called prostate, you know, your two major functions. A year for fertility and for Junso. And a boy, my member, it me Junso, and also a boy, me, it me ejaculate. It is a home car, now Samaba. But one thing is, at the end of the world, Prostate Doctor Foundation, since 2019, and then last year, in a while, you have several nipa bebrea, Nanka you own prostate. I was a someone on prostate tiboko. Enlarged prostate now. One more by back of Fansama Bruno, which we are be for a kill urinary retention. Who are doing for the ultimate so. You don't call emergency and the robber a couple bems. You need to tune and ask Samaba. When you are able to me, I prevent it. Your free be preventive measures and they can't have the Biana. A free age 40, then may be on your fear Bianaya. I feel your prostate scan. What's a PS man every 3 or 5 years? Okay. Scan it, yes, so no. Send your prostate near Cassin, called prostate in a natural growth. Then may be able to go through him. Then may be a so trivial long enough. A child, oh, yeah, they have a go through prostate condition. It has a prostatitis, and a enlarged prostate, and a prostate cancer. A whole by bono, if I'm a member, but yeah, so day, Yamuntie, a dear way, a bit to me, you were free, prostate cancer. And when they come young before, a child race be a warrior. Say what North America, say what Europe, say what Asia, and I wear a chrome. And no, so we are Burma and try and mania prostate cancer. And try me for rubber metal Burmans. And Trahon and Sofa, Burma Moyamre, and a Johnson Tentem, and the Sanya man. You bet me about home buying. Number no name say good number no so no. Yeah, Juma Juada copy memory da. Prostate Doctor Foundation, the National Prostate Health Awareness Campaign na ye no. And ya Ghana nkwaa we are singing na. Cause your patients amamone but bia we are singing na ye hwe omo free ha. You say you be ma ochina so we get test ni bi da. Brother, check your status. But if you're Tibia, what to me about home buying? You will come and say Patasi Estate. Paparazzi Hotel, na cheaper. A channel pa 8:30. You free scan my general public. Oba, I did over 20 cities for registration. Yeah, they'll be a fire amount. Scan here free. Oba, so you are that tester, and you are awesome. But say, oh, a large prostate. Men people who can surgery because a 100% reversible. Your natural remedies very effective. Yet to me shrink prostate. Yet to me reverse no. Yes, ama symptoms no so one warning na e bet me a year through amount. Now I feel prostate no so back to normal. Now what me not na boko. Eti we a bear man ko ade a ma wani emerald prostate na. At sanopa 8:30 ekopim no miensa. You kuma se Patasi Estate. Yes scan ma obi a free.
Yo. Abusia ene adofo osema ka sempande akyerɛw afibia ni siseye ene fie bia ni mu asem sede ye nkasa je adofo oboba to ye fie bia ha wo mu na Royal TV de opimso otekoko so krobia sante kotoko mi Dr. Bre no ayebe abra Dr. sorry na ofako fori enso fa machiboko aba betenase esonkoso de amame Doctor aka nsempa de akire wo ye bema ubegina wo na so a ese wutimi hu se ampa ne Doctor aka akire no ese wo hwe ekwan no so mene Doctor Ebre ayabia all sorry nature say ofa kofori ba betenase na mame fa we ntu edwa esonkoso mame nko na menchia matiefo ba akumienu yensa bi ansa na ofa kofori aba eye asante kete ye ne ebo asante kete ana atwene aye bo nyina ya keke ye ho abom sonkoso ye chairman ene Nana Kwame otompabo papa bi slippers papa bi ewo Kumasi edwom na oya branti a ne tiri ho fudwene kakra na ohwese de ositie no a onu na yayi ne se chairman ode ya no na base pa se ye kohia ne kete nyina ke ho abomu a ene ni ketefo nkwala bia mu ye bokete ema kete na enche ye bepa ho ntema mame nko eye mranso adwaju ekrom mese opanyin bi ahyenso de egu ni ka ho ose ensa anya adwuma no enidi ensa anya adwuma no enidi na sa opanyin owo mranso adwaju krom a ufiri wa na akomranso abore a me ankasa me yiri adwuman ekrom na sa opanyin